guys, welcome back to my channel. How to give your girlfriend her space without creating distance. Whether it is alone time with friends, we all need our space in a relationship. Learn how to give your girlfriend her space without being distant. Just like you need your space from your girlfriend, she needs her space from you. And whether she wants it or not, part of being a good boyfriend is to learn how to give your girlfriend her space. But with that comes a few hurdles. You may give her too much space and seem distant, or not give her enough space and seem clingy. It is possible to find that happy medium though. Why your girlfriend needs her space. Whether spending too much time as a couple, or you prefer to spend specific activities without your girlfriend, she needs the same consideration from you. Maybe you would rather play Fortnite with the bros. Well, she may prefer to go shopping or out to drink with the girls. Your girlfriend's need for space may very well have nothing to do with you. You could be perfectly happy together, but part of a healthy relationship is creating time for each other to have space apart or time apart. She needs to maintain her friendship and identity without you, and that is a good thing. When you give your girlfriend her space, she has time to recharge and can bring even more to the relationship, and you can too. So the first step to give your girlfriend her space is to think of space as being positive and not being a punishment. There is no step-by-step process when it comes to learning how to give your girlfriend her space. Each relationship and every woman is different, but these tips on how to give a girlfriend her space should guide you in the right direction. It will make giving your girlfriend her space easier all around. Number one, read between the lines. As much as I like to boast about how women are so good at communication, sometimes we are just as clueless as guys. We may need space but not know how to ask for it, or even know that we need it. If your girlfriend mentioned wanting to go out with the girls, or to go for a concert you have no interest in, but she hasn't made the plans, give her a little push. Remind her that she mentioned the girls' night out. Sometimes subtlety is the best way to go. Number two, communicate. If the subtle moves isn't working, just talk to your girlfriend. Let her know she's been a little off lately and wonder if she could use a change of space by doing something just for her. Whether that is doing something with her friends or alone. You can offer to go out for a day so that she can have the house to herself. Number three, take your space. If you don't want to rock the boat too much or put words in her mouth, let her know you want to go out with your friends or have plans of your own. Taking time for yourself may just inspire her to do the same. And even if the thoughts doesn't cross her mind, your busyness will give her the space without her even knowing. Number four, get her a gift, a spa certificate, a massage. Tickets for her and her friends to go see a show are all great ways to give your girlfriend her space. You aren't being bitter or pushy about it. You're offering her a getaway and being classy about it. Sometimes when things are going well, we are afraid space will ruin things. But offering an incentive can do the trick. Number five, be considerate. Don't force her to take space or be upset that she needs time away. Whether she wants a night on the town or a cozy night in, just let her be. It can be hard to admit she needs time away from you, but consider her side. Number six, respect her time. Don't judge whatever her plans are. You may have gone in thinking she would go drink wine at her girlfriend's house and vent about you. Or maybe she wanted to get dressed up and hit the club. If you trust her, there is no problem with that. Let her do what she wants. It is her space. Number seven, be patient. She might need more than a night out here or there. Maybe she needs a weekend away, or maybe she needs to cut off communication for a few days. Be patient with what she needs. As long as you talk about the plans first, so you don't just sit around wondering what's going on. This space will strengthen your relationship. Number eight, enjoy your time. Yes, the main goal here is to give your girlfriend her space. Do not forget to enjoy your space too. This is your time to enjoy as well. Do something you never do while she's around, or something you prefer to do alone or with your friends. Her space doesn't mean you have to sit around twiddling your thumbs. You can have a good time too. Number nine, be there if she needs you. Space is not black and white. Just because you're giving her space doesn't necessarily mean you aren't speaking or that she's on her own till midnight. This isn't fairy tale. Before she heads out, remind her to have a good time. Let her know you'll be there to pick her up if she needs you. Giving her space is important, but remember, this is not a break or a breakup. Just a little breather. Remind her that when she needs you, you will be there. Number 10, remember this is good. You may have gone in thinking this is a great idea. Now she's out and about and you're worried. I get it. But remember, understanding how to give your girlfriend her space is beneficial to both of you. Your time together means more and you both bring more to the table when you nurture your independence.